Meaning of foehn.
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 foehn,
Foehn. Foehn refers to a type of dry, warm wind that occurs on the leeward side of a mountain range. As moist air ascends a mountain, it cools and releases moisture as precipitation, resulting in a rain shadow effect on the opposite side of the mountain. Dry air then descends on the leeward side, warming up due to adiabatic compression and creating a foehn wind. This wind can have significant impacts on local weather, including warming temperatures, drying out vegetation, and increasing wildfire risk. Foehn winds are common in areas with large mountain ranges, such as the Alps and Rocky Mountains.